If you're trying to take money out of your Telegram wallet and send it to your bank or card, here's how you can do it without overcomplicating things. First, make sure you actually have money in your Telegram wallet. It sounds obvious, but if your balance is zero, you won't be able to withdraw anything. Just double check that before starting. Now, open your Telegram wallet and look for the option that says P2P Market. This is where users buy and sell crypto with each other. It's basically Telegram's built-in marketplace. Once you're in the P2P market, go to the Sell tab, pick the cryptocurrency you want to cash out. Most people use USDT, but you'll see what's available in your wallet. Next, choose the currency you want to get paid in, like dollars, euros, or whatever matches your bank. After that, you'll see a list of people who are buying. These are verified users offering different payout methods like Visa, MasterCard, or regular bank transfers. Pick someone who matches the payment method you want. It's a good idea to stick with verified users who have high ratings just to stay safe. Once you find the right buyer, hit offer, type in how much you want to sell, and follow the steps to complete the transaction. Double check the amount, fees, and payment method before confirming. After everything goes through, the money should land in your bank or card, depending on the method you chose. Extra tips: keep screenshots of the transaction until the payment is confirmed and never release your crypto until you see the funds in your bank. Also, avoid unverified buyers as scams are possible. Using Telegram P2P responsibly ensures your withdrawals are smooth, safe, and stress-free. Important: remember that exchange rates can fluctuate quickly. If the rate changes between creating your offer and completing the sale, you might receive slightly less than expected. Always double check timing, fees, and the buyer's reputation before finalizing to make sure your withdrawal is accurate and secure.